Hey, I'm Donny Baker with High Level Promotions, and I'm a farmer. I'm passionate about filmmaking, ran with it, and that's why I'm here today. When it comes to telling your story, you want to capture that audience.
Stop scrolling. You like big tractors?
This is my masterclass.
Show them something, maybe a side that you've never shown before. The whole thing is I want to tell your story. The owner, the founder, the CEO, the voice and the face of your business.
Me, my stupid man.
You can go down right here, book a call with me, 15-minute call, trust me, it's going to be worth your time.
Me, my stupid man.